about to air it. Of course we're about to stir up some shit thick as Miss Water with syrup. Is the Mr. Pickin' Christopher Reese just for no reason other than just to tease him? Cause he was his biggest fan. He used to be Superman, now we're pouring liquor on the curb and his name pouring. And then you wait till we meet up again. Popper, I'm kicking your ass for everything you've ever said. It goes one for the money, two for the fucking show. Ready, get set, let's go. Here comes the bucking Bronco, stomping and stampeding up the damn street like them buffalo soldiers. I told you I'm about to blow, so look out below. Geronimo, motherfuckers is dominoes. I'm on the roll, around and around I go. When will I stop? I don't know. Trying to pick up where the Eminem show left off, but I know anything's possible. Though I'm not gonna top, but I sold. I'm at the top of my game. That shit is not gonna change. Long as I got Dr. Dre on my team, I get away with murder. I'm like OJ, he's like my Cochran today. We keep the mark from in tapes in the safe, lock 'em away. Better watch what you say. Just when you thought you were safe, them fuckers got you on tape. You swear to God you was playing, whether or not you was little Joshua. Gosh, I wish I could've told you to not do the same. Cause one day it could cost you your name. This was supposed to be my first single, but I just fucked that up, so fuck it, let's all have fun, let's mingle. Slap a bitch and smack a hoe. This was supposed to be my catchy little jingle that you hear on your radio when shit's about to hit the shingle. Ow, 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 now. Swallowed some generic sleeping pills and woke up in bed next to his best friend Eric, bare naked. Then just turned 16 and used a fake ID to sneak in VIP to see R. Kelly. To be so young and naive, oh what I wouldn't give to live so Kim and carefree. Paris and Nicki's parents must be so tickled they cherish every picture with their kids with hickeys all over their necks. Hickory dickory derp, tickler, look at me work wizardry with these words. Am I a jerk or just jerk chicken or jerk in your chain? 22 jerks in a jerk circle, or is it a circle jerk? Oh wait a minute, what am I saying? Allow me to run it back and rewind it. Let me ask you again. Am I just jerking the chain? Am I berserk or insane? Or am I just one of them damn amateurs working the dang cameras, filming one of them Paris Hilton homemade pornos? Who keeps tilting the lens at an angle? Just recently somebody just discovered Britney and Justin videotapes of them fucking when they was just mouth the tears in the Mickey Mouse Club and dusted them and went straight to the source with them cause they could've sworn someone said no and then tried to erase and record over it. But if you listen close enough to it you can hear it go up and then it come to find out it was Justin saying I'm gonna come and this was supposed to be my first single, but I just fucked that up, so fuck it, let's all have fun, let's mingle. Slap a bitch and smack a hoe. This was supposed to be my catchy little jingle that you hear on your radio when shit's about to hit the shingle. Ow, 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 now. Something you just wanna get off your chest and address it about my lyrics, I'd love to hear it. All you gotta do is pick up the phone and just dial up this number. It's 1-800 I'm a dick sucker. I love to suck a dick, and if someone picks up you can talk all the shit you want about me. Just type in your number back and follow it by the pound key, and I'll be sure to get back as soon as there comes a day that I follow with Dre. Wake up gay and make it with Ray. So fuck a chicken, lick a chicken, suck a chicken, beat a chicken, eat a chicken like it's a dick cock. Look at me. Oh, suck a dick and lick a dick and eat a dick and stick a dick in your mouth. I'm done, you can fuck off, fuck up, fuck off. And this was supposed to be my first single, but I just fucked that up, so fuck it, let's all have fun, let's mingle. Slap a bitch and smack a hoe. This was supposed to be my catchy little jingle that you hear on your radio when shit's about to hit the shingle. Ow, ow, ow.